Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix project Snapchat could not be created into Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve this issue, you just simply have to open your Snapchat application at first, and after opening the Snapchat application, just simply tap into your Bitmoji icon into here, and after tapping into there, just simply go to the setting by tapping the gear icon. And now after going into the settings, just simply scroll down until you see the support section, and into the support section just simply click I need help into here. And after clicking into I need help, this page will appear. Now into here you just simply have to scroll down and click to this contact us button. Now into this section you just simply have to select I need help with the Snapchat feature option into here, and after selecting that it will give so many options to take. Now into here you just simply have to select settings, and after that click to this other option, and after selecting other it will take a short amount of time to process, and after that the new form will appear. And into here you just simply have to enter your username, and after entering the username just simply enter your email address into the second box, and after that into this description box you just simply have to write my Snapchat project could not be created, so please help me as soon as possible. Now after doing that you just simply have to verify your reCAPTCHA, and after that click to submit button. Then your request will be submitted to the Snapchat support team and your problem will be fixed as soon as possible. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.